Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review a product called the biggest PLR blowout sale ever. And this is a private label software, whatever you call it. Normally I don't review the PLR products, okay? So on this channel you only see the software review or some kind of make money online scams review, but I normally don't review the PLR products, okay? So if you don't know what PLR means, it's private label rights, which means you can download and buy this particular software or ebook or videos, and then you can use them or sell it to your clients. That's PLR with some restrictions, okay? In some cases they give you master resale rights, which means you can sell it to anybody else without any kind of credit given to them. In some cases there are only resale rights where you can only sell it to your clients and your client can't sell to anybody else, okay? So the chain stops there. Now, why I'm reviewing this product is, if you don't know the reason, make sure you stick till the end. Do subscribe to the channel because I am going to save you money. If you want to lose your money, skip this video and go and buy something, all right? So just lose your money and blah blah, right? So if you want to stick till the end, you will understand what I'm talking about, and today you will know how to get free products which you pay for on Warrior Plus. So all the products which you mostly pay for on Warrior Plus, you can get them free. I'll show you how in this video as well. So first of all, let's start the review here, and it says over 9,000 in real world value, limited time only. See, let me show you the profile of this person, this gentleman here, Kevin Fahey, and this is his profile. He has made some sales in the past, 250 plus 1,000 sales free, and 100 here, 250 there. So he's been making some random sales. He has been making a living, is fine. He is a nice person, I'm sure, but as I said earlier, I didn't want to review his product, but I was forced. I was forced because of one thing, and that was the price for this software. Actually, let me show you how much they have put in the price here. It's like, let me go to the bottom here, and it says the price for this bundle PLR is $301.46. This price has blown away my mind, and I was forced to review this product because normally I don't review PLR products. I let them make sales, because normally PLR products don't make much sales. They make like 100 sales, 50 sales, 250 sales maximum. You don't get much sales in PLR products. So I say, okay, let them make sales. I don't have to review those products. But this price here, 301, this has blown away my mind, and I have to review this product. So let's go at the top, right at the top, and let's see what they're giving you in this one. So this is a sales video. We will not play it. And first product, which is there in done for you. So it says work from home jobs PLR package, okay? So let's copy this word, work from home jobs, and we have copied it. Now we are going to go on a magical website which is called idplr.com, okay? Remember this word, I is in India, D as in David, P as in Peter, L as in London, R as in Roger, idplr.com, and that's it. This is the website. Now we are going to type in that word which we just copied from the sales website, so work from home jobs. This will take some time to load and search for ebooks. So this is okay, so here we have some, or maybe 29 results. So work at home and digital marketing for seniors, and if you go further down, well, how to become a work from home mom and everything else, work from home options, work from home. So what I'm trying to tell you or show you here is that you can pick one of these free ebooks, one of these free copies from here, and then you can give it a new name, and then you can resell it for as much price you want to. So these people are tricking you. So if you come back to the website here, it says work from home jobs PLR. Now this is a free thing. These are free ebooks, free upgrades, free videos, which you can find on idplr.com on this website here, and then you can resell them. So if they were reselling it for 20 bucks, I would have never made this video, but they have tested my patience. So let's go further down here, and the second product is affiliate marketing mastery. Now let me show you the example here. You copy this thing here and you go to idplr.com, you go to the search bar at the top, you paste it, and then you click on search and you wait for 5 seconds, and you will see exactly what are we going to get on the screen now. Okay, coming on. Okay, you see here, so it's an ebook. It's called Affiliate Marketing Mastery. So they have taken the free ebook from this IDPLR website and they are charging you for this here. Do you see the logic? I mean, do you see the concept? What are they doing to you? So let's see if the logo of the cover is same or it's different. It's same. You see here, so it's the laptop picture here at the front, on the front, and there's a laptop picture here at the front. Okay, so let's open this particular software in a new window, and let's see what rights do we have. Okay, so it is saying register free and all that, ebook. Now from here you can download page. I will have to sign in. Let me see if I can click on preview. It's asking me to log in, so I'm not going to log in, but if you make an account here and you log in, you will see the opt-in pages, you will see the download pages, so you can actually download the whole product for free, and they are charging $300 for that. This was the main reason I had to come and make this review at this time. So you can download the Affiliate Marketing Mastery here and everything else. Now let's check the resale rights here. Let's come down and okay, so master resale rights, you see here, so idplr.com is giving everybody the master resale rights, which means that you can download the product from here and you can resell it on Warrior Plus or on some other website. So this is free and they're charging you $300 for that. Okay, let's see the product terms. Can be sold, yes. Can be used, yes. Now what can't be done is it cannot be given for free, it cannot be added to membership sites, free membership websites, and it cannot be convey and sell private label rights. Okay, now let's go back to their website here and let's see what are their terms and conditions at the bottom. Okay, so again here you see they have copied the same thing. Can edit, cannot sell as private label rights, cannot sell master, cannot be resold as checklist on Zavis Warrior Plus. Okay, you see here, so they have just copied the whole thing from here and then they are actually launching these products on Warrior Plus and they're charging you a lot of money for that. Okay, let's go at the top here. What else do we have? What else products, which other products they are launching? Let me see. Okay, it's podcasting here. Let me see if we can find something about podcasting in idplr.com. podcasting, and then click on search. We'll come back to it later on. Best practices for remote wellness. I think we're just going to copy that too. Already in copy, so we might have to type in manually. Okay, you see the podcasting here is there, so you can get all these things for free from idplr.com, which they are charging you $300 for. Okay, what was the name? Best practices for remote wellness. Okay, best practices for remote wellness. Let me see if we can find the same or the similar product here on the idplr.com. Right, okay, it's a heavy website, it takes a lot of time to load. All right, still searching. One result found. What is the result? Not showing anything. Right, now in short here, if you my point here to make is all these. Okay, this one is quite this is going to prove everything. Healthier habits. Okay, so let me type in healthy habits in here and search. So they have just tweaked the name slightly. That's all they have done, because on idplr.com you will find this product with the name Healthy Habits. As you see here, Healthy Habits video upgrades. This is an ebook and this is a video upgrade. So in this one you will find some videos, and this is a PDF only. Now this is a name Healthy Habits. On idplr they have taken the same product and they have just given it the name as Healthier Habits, or maybe there might be Healthier Habits on on this idplr as well. So I'm not going to waste much time here, because all I wanted to give you an idea that this is totally a free product. All these products have been accumulated from idplr.com or from some other free ebook websites, and after accumulating these products they have made a dashboard and put everything inside, and that is how they're reselling it for $300. That's where my problem is. So I would have never made this video, as I said again, if the price was only 20 bucks. If you're selling it for 20 bucks, fine, sell it to as many people you want. But $300? $300 for this crap? I mean, $300 for something which is free out there on idplayer.com or on some other websites. I cannot digest that, okay? So this is it. Now you know how people are scamming you on the internet, how people are making money for free, how people are actually tricking you. This is what happens. So if you think you are genuine people can't make money, because they're honest. Honest people can't make much money. So if I'm honest, I'm not going to make a lot of money. Maybe I will make less money, very, very less money. But if you being dishonest, if you be a scammer, you will make a lot of money. But that will not sustain for long term, okay? So I don't want you to be a scammer, because you might make some money for a month or two, but eventually nobody will trust you in the future. So have a long-term goal, because it might be slow. You have to be a tortoise. You don't have to be a rabbit. Rabbit might get tired and get sleep, but tortoise can keep walking in slowly, and will reach there. Will reach to the destination eventually, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you have found some value in this video. If you did, then subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll come back and see you in the next